Are you thinking about using Acorns to start your investing journey, but you've seen the Trustpilot reviews and now you're second guessing? It's a question many people have, and for a good reason. The reviews on platforms like Trustpilot can be incredibly polarized. On one hand, you see glowing 5-star ratings praising how easy and effortless the app is. On the other, you're hit with 1-star reviews from users who feel scammed or frustrated. So what's the real story? Should you trust them? To get a clear picture, you have to look beyond the star rating and understand the core complaints. The biggest issue you'll see pop up again and again is the fee structure. While a flat monthly fee of a few dollars seems small, for people with a low balance, that fee can eat away at a massive chunk of their potential returns. If you only have $50 in your account, a $3 monthly fee is a significant percentage of your investment. It's a very different story if your balance is in the thousands. This is a crucial point to consider, and it explains a lot of the negative feedback. Another major complaint is about customer support and account issues. A number of reviews mention difficulties with things like withdrawals, account verification, and unresponsive support. For an app designed to be simple and hands-off, this can be incredibly frustrating. This is often where you see the most passionate negative reviews. On the flip side, the positive reviews often come from people who are using Acorns exactly as it's intended, as a hands-off, set-it-and-forget-it tool. They love the automated roundup feature, which takes spare change from everyday purchases and invests it. For someone who struggles to save or invest on their own, this feature is a game changer. These users see Acorns as a psychological hack to build a consistent savings habit without even thinking about it. They are less concerned with the fees because they see the app as a simple way to build a small nest egg. So, should you trust the Trustpilot reviews? The answer is both yes and no. You should trust that the reviews reflect real experiences, but you have to understand the context. The polarized ratings aren't a sign of a scam, they're a result of different people using the product in different ways, with different expectations. Acorns is a legitimate, SEC-registered company. But it's not for everyone. If you're a beginner who needs a tool to trick you into saving and you're starting with a small amount of money, you need to be aware that the fees will sting at first. If you're a more active investor who wants control over your portfolio and wants to avoid all fees, then Acorns is probably not the right choice for you. The Trustpilot reviews are a reflection of these two different types of users. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.